The conceptualization of ASG was done. It's very difficult. I can mix the languages together. तो ASG की शुरुआत इसका जो सीड था दैट स्टार्टेड जब मैं और अरुण मेडिकल कॉलेज में थे, ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेज न्यू दिल्ली में। हम लोगों ने हमारा ग्रेजुएशन MBBS जोधपुर से किया था राजस्थान में, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एम्स से किया था। तो वी फाउंड कि बहुत वास्ट डिफरेंस है इन द मेडिकल एक्सपर्टाइज एट ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट न्यू दिल्ली एंड एनी पेरिफेरल कॉलेज। तो उस समय कुछ इस तरह का कॉन्सेप्ट आया कि अगर कोई व्यक्ति दिल्ली रह रहा है या उसकी पहुंच एम्स नई दिल्ली तक है तो उसकी केयर बेटर होगी, और जिसकी पहुंच इस तरह के अस्पताल, इस तरह भी नहीं, एम्स आज से 20 साल पहले वाज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड, इट इज स्टिल द गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड एज फार एज हेल्थ केयर एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज कंसर्न। सो मैंने और अरुण ने इनिशियली ये सोचा कि क्यों ना हम कुछ इस तरह का करें कि इस तरह की केयर को था। तो हमने हमारे ही कुछ कलीग से बात करी जो एम्स में हमारे जूनियर्स थे, सीनियर्स थे। सो सबको आइडिया काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। आज भी हमारे पास वी हैव 162 ब्रांचेस ऑल अक्रॉस कंट्री। So in all the branches, and along with that now we have people from Shankar Nethralaya, LV Prasad, all the premier institutes. So the concept was that the quality healthcare should be available to people irrespective of where they live, irrespective of their financial condition, the knowledge and awareness. Even कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें किसी स्पेशलिस्ट का नाम पता है तो हम सही जगह पहुंच सकते हैं, हमें नहीं पता है तो we end up in an average hand. So ASG के अंदर you need to just come to the hospital, maybe even if you don't know what kind of disease or which subspecialty you need to go, at the reception we have a filter mechanism where उस बीमारी के पेशेंट को उस डॉक्टर को एलोकेट किया जाता है जो उसमें स्पेशलाइज किया करता है। तो इस तरह के कॉन्सेप्ट से we have created a team of young doctors, young talented doctors who are very good in their surgical expertise, and we are trying to provide services all across the country. Thanks.
Maybe some people they don't know how to interact, how to behave with the doctors or the paramedical staff. Doctor is always having the patience. I'm sure the way you have a name also here in this part of the world, I'm sure you will do the dedication and
कमरवाड़ी में चल रहा है, वहाँ भी सारी फैसिलिटीज़ थी, बट नाउ वी हैव एक्सपेंडेड द टीम ऑफ डॉक्टर्स की काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गए हैं। हर स्पेशलिटी के अलग डॉक्टर हैं, तो उसमें हमने कोशिश करी है कि हर स्पेशलिटी का अलग विंग दिया जाए। चश्मा उतारने का अलग सेक्शन है, ग्लोकोमा का अलग सेक्शन है, रेटिना का अलग सेक्शन है, प्लस रखा गया है कि बैठने में उन्हें सर्जरी के बाद जो भी सुविधाएं चाहिए वो सारा एक बड़े परिसर के अंदर आसानी से हो सकता है। Yes, it is already accepting the Ayushman card. Yeah.
that is the beauty of this hospital.
But we have an increased rush because of that, but because it's the section that really needs that care, that quality of care. So हम उसको honor कर रहे हैं।
Brilliant doctors. I came to know about their profile. And the people who are with the administration, paramedical staff, and the people in front of me, media. Assalamu alaikum, hello to everyone. Besides an opportunity to say a few words about this ASG, I think it's chain all over Asia. You have hospitals in Asia, some countries of Asia also, which I came to know yesterday. And I think it has a name and fame all over country also. So it's the way you are working here in Kashmir, I came to know from different people whom you are treated. This hospital is doing very well. In fact, I just want to request people also for the media. We say Allah ka noor hai aankhein, isme koi burai nahi hai. Rightly she said diabetic, it is trauma, it's blood pressure. It's many reasons we are not so conscious, and I don't think we have so much of exposure that we do take care of eyes. But by opening the hospitals like ASG here, I'm sure you might open in other districts also as well with the passage of time. So I'm sure people of this province, Kashmir province, have an opportunity to get their eyes treated here only instead of going to the other parts of the country, which was very expensive in terms of economy. It was very difficult, and also losing a lot of time. And there, most of the people from BPL, below poverty line, they were not able to go for the advanced treatment. Now it's an opportunity. Advanced treatment is available here, and equally I will request the administration, particularly Madam who is here. Madam, I am sure you might be listening, but Madam Dr. Shilpi, and you have listened to this. Here is, I think, after the disturbance here, I have seen poverty has taken over more compared to the other parts of the country. That will be your CSR type, where you can please the way you are going for different camps in the parts of the valley. I'm sure you will take it to interiors where people know nothing how to treat their eyes, particularly the people living on hills or living in far-flung areas where they don't know eyes are also to be treated. So I'm sure you will take interest in that. I don't want to waste much of the time because media is also here. They might have some questions about this, maybe some more related to other things. The floor is open for you. Thank you so much. I wish all the best to you, and